Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center and with the Real Estate Advisors. I'm making a new website called Real Estate Advisors Coaching, and I'm trying to get a logo, so I need some help. I went to Freelancer and I had a total of 475 entries. I've narrowed it down to 13. And if you want to, do me a favor, comment below which one you like best. You can actually give me your top three. Go by the number here. So we have 471, 470, 436, 415, 369, 368, 361, 321, 260, 62, 210, 259, and 36. I'm going to go over those again because I know it's probably going through them quick, but we got 36, 62, 210, 259, 361, 321, 260, 368, 369, 415, 471, 470, 436. And I would say give me your top three in the order of the top three. I'm going to try to look at all these and make a decision on which one to use. But I want to pick a logo and I don't want to switch it. So I've said, let everybody help me out here. And I'll make a decision. I'm going to post this on multiple social media channels. So check it out and do me a favor, comment below, tell me which one you one, two, three, top three you like best. And if there's also going to be a link if you need a freelancer for something like this. Thank you very much. Have a great day.